Overland Adventure Vanimal. He's the champion on taking trips. I want to up my trip game. So right now, we're in Anza Borrego, checking out the sculptures. I'm pretty sure you've been here, right, buddy? You've been everywhere, it feels like. But see, it's like it's going under the dirt. It's pretty cool. I discovered this spot Christmas weekend, and yeah, my priority in the month of March, or it's February right now, in the month of February, is to get my tracker hooked up for trailer towing, so I could tow my tracker out here with my van, sleep in the van, wake up in Anza Borrego, enjoy off-roading, and enjoy sightseeing. We'll go ahead and check out the other sculptures here, but this is the biggest one. This one has its own name on the GPS, right?
The serpent?
Cool. The serpent sculpture. If you love your van, there's a couple of sculptures you could take pictures next to. Unfortunately, you can't park your vehicle next to the serpent sculpture, but you could drive inside here and check out the other ones. And these sculptures are spread out in Anza Borrego. So we're gonna go to the other side and see the other ones. Maybe there's a cooler one. Nothing's gonna top the serpent, but that last one I took a picture next to looked like some sort of a rat hippo thing. Okay, another round of sculptures here. Not too many on this side. Kids are taking pictures next to that. That's a cool one. Scorpion. I don't want to park my vehicle next to it because it seems like it's a popular one with people. Here's my van. That's a good picture right there. We're checking out the sculptures on the side of the road. And then after this, we're gonna get something to eat. Yeah, I can't wait until I start camping out here regularly. This eagle is very popular. See, all kinds of people checking out the eagle here. Van life. Van life. Is it still here? I spotted this earlier. Oh, it's gone. There was a samurai. Oh, it's in front of us. Check this out. It's a roundabout like Europe. Samurai. I knew I spotted it. There it is. Sweet. Yeah, V10. Yeah, V10. Mine's a smaller vehicle. Me and my dad slept here on Christmas weekend for our off-roading trip. Me and Brooke headed down here just for the food because I remembered the garlic dip. That was the best part, so I came here just for the garlic dip. Palm Desert Hotel and RV Resort. We're just here to eat. Someday it'll be our van convoy instead of Jeeps everywhere.